Good morning to all students of class first year and class intermediate RS Inter College Kanpur. Today I am teaching you the common chapter of grammar, that is synthesis. How to make different sentences into one simple sentence. I have already taught you simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence, and you would have understood also. But because this chapter is tough, and especially the simple sentences are very tough, that's why I am getting it revised so that you may understand well. So you should understand it, how we change the simple sentences from many different sentences. Those are also simple, but there are many simple sentences. From two or more than two sentences we make one simple sentence, that is called simple sentence, and there should be one verb only in simple sentence, not more than one verb. If there are two verbs, three verbs, then it cannot be the simple sentence. So I told you when I explained you that for making the simple sentence we use participle, present participle, past participle, perfect participle, infinitive, gerund, adjective, adverb, noun, nominative, absolute, etc. By these ways we can form the simple sentences. Few examples are given here and you should understand carefully. You should understand that this is common topic and it is for all the students from 9th to 12th class, and all of them asked in the examination. Listen to me carefully. He went to market, he bought the books there. There are two sentences and we have to make one sentence by using present perfect participle. Having gone to the market, he bought the books. So there we have used perfect participle and there is one verb only, and that is gone. Therefore it will be one simple sentence. I saw some children. The children were playing football in the ground. There are two sentences. We shall make it into one simple sentence. So I saw some children playing football in the ground. We have used the present participle here, and there is only one verb, saw. Saw is one verb here. So it will be simple sentence. Sheila posted the letter. The letter was written. There are two sentences. We shall make two sentences into one simple sentence, and we have used in this sentence the past participle. Sheila posted the written letter. We have used written as the past participle as adjective because it is qualifying the noun later, and there is one verb, therefore it is simple sentence. He bought a book. The book was new. There are two sentences. By using adjective we can make it into one simple sentence. It will be he bought the new book. He will pass this year, it is certain. There are two sentences and we shall make into one simple sentence from these two sentences. It will be certainly he will pass this year. There is use of adverb. So adverb used, by using adverb we have made it into one simple sentence because there is only one verb, that is pass. Ramesh is a good player. He is a good singer. He plays with me daily. There are three sentences. Ramesh is a good player. He is a good singer. It is second sentence. He plays with me daily. It is third sentence. With the help of these three sentences, we have to change them into one simple sentence, and it will be what? Ramesh, comma, a good player, comma, a good singer plays with me daily. So there are only one word, please, plays. Plays is one single word, and we have used here the noun word. Now, by marking the commas, we have put the verbs that have been used for Ramesh. Many verbs have been used for Ramesh, and there is only one verb, and that's why it will be simple sentence. He went to the temple. We went to the temple. We went there on Sunday. There are two sentences, and we shall make the two sentences into one simple sentence, and those will be changed into simple sentence like this way. We went to the temple on Sunday. You have a house. This house is small. There are two sentences. You have a house. This house is small. We shall use adjective before noun to make it into one simple sentence. It will be, you have a small house. The children are bad. The children are sad. They have failed. The children are sad. They have failed. There are two sentences. One is the children are sad. The second is they have failed. We shall make them into one simple sentence. The failed students are sad. We have used here past participle before noun, and this past participle is qualifying the word students. It is used as adjective. So it will be, the failed students are sad. In the same way, Ram is my friend. He is a good singer. So there will be noun use, Ram, comma, a good singer, comma, is my friend. There is only one word, is one. And that's why it will be simple sentence. Rina has done work. Her work is nice. Rina has done nice work. So nice adjective we have used before noun. And there is only one verb. And the verb is done. And that's why it will be simple sentence. So in this way we use the simple sentence. Perhaps you would have understood it. And now you have to note it down into your fair copy, because all the chapters which are taught online will be checked when the school will be opened. So write down it in your fair copy, and for homework I have given the homework to you. First is to do the exercises of simple, compound and complex sentences. Next, prose lesson 1 question answer to learn. These you have to do. Thank you very much.